guys?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Stop it, Chloe.
Excuse me.
Ready? Happy birthday to you. Woo! Happy birthday to you. Woo! Happy birthday, dear Nani. Happy birthday.
The kids touched her cake.
Blow your candle. Hurry up before Tony blows it. Hurry up. Blow your candle.
Go closer.
Closer. Closer.
Go closer. Now what the
That's kind of Chloe.
Why are you doing that?
Because Chloe digged in her cake. She's pissed. Are you?
You okay?
Over. It's over. We gotta cut it now, okay? We're gonna cut it up anyway. Hey, Felita, call the guys here to cut it up.
Huh? Yeah. Birthday time! We're gonna, should I kill it now?
That's money.
Should I kill it now?
Big baby.
Not now. Kill it?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, I wanna see.